True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So today I'm in St. Elizabeth. I'm in the waterfalls area. So you might know that them reopen today, which is 24th of January. And you know that this place get hit by Melissa. And I'm sure people them want to go and see when you still can travel and can enjoy waterfalls. So it's my journey to take it over there today. I'll show you what I go on. Yes, man.
Welcome, Papa. How you
Yes,
doing?
I'm fine.
Alright, so I to the ladies there, that's for your tickets.
And how much for your ticket?
2,400.
2004?
Hello, Fire Reid. Welcome to Waterfalls.
Thank you very much.
Always follow your channel.
Yes, man, I don't
One
know.
of your favorites.
Thank you very much and thanks for the support, you know? So, you know, me I show people them want to go and say place up and run and see them here. Yes, man, and enjoy the journey. Yes, man. And more people will be coming and see them here.
Of course.
Alright.
Once you touch down, you know.
Hit that.
Everybody off that.
Alright?
That's what I
So,
said.
thank you very much. Alright? How much for kids?
1,500.
1,500. Alright. So today, you know, for kids it's like 1,500 and for adult it's like about 2,400. So just stick and stay and see what I go on. The power journey, see how see prices. Manners bossy.
Yes, sir.
I don't know, say I love my parish of St. Elizabeth. I love it. So I'm going to tour it and show it all over the world, and you know, say I say it. Yeah, man, just do the right thing. Yeah, man, do the right thing. Yeah, man. Manners.
Blessing.
Yeah, man, you see it? Safety come first. Yeah, man, so you don't know me, I enjoy the ride. Nothing like riding on a tractor. Yeah, man. Real Jamaican vibes. Yeah. Love the tour. So yes, some people just arrived at my destination. Yeah, man. So this is the gift shop area. Yes, no say one about this. Yeah, man. So I'm giving a quick tour through the place here, man. Can I come and get you no gifts? Everything up and running. Soon taking over the falls area. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, man, so you just can come and get what you want and go enjoy the falls scene. So you have the different variety of stuff. Real Jamaican vibes.
Take your time. After using the only yes foam pad for the first time, I am
Manners.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, so I'm there at the pool area, so I'm showing you what I'm going. So it's not a busy day today, but I'm showing you the place up and running. Yeah, man. Yeah man, the place still beautiful. Look at the water and the pool, guys. So you all need to take a visit in the Wyeth Falls area after Hurricane Melissa hit Jamaica.
You did really good. Wow. Like that?
I was just gonna write everything order
Water. Alright. Not Allen Grill, not Burger King. Not
So I checked the menu today, guys. So I'll be trying out some jerk chicken and fries and a hot dog. So now I'll show you what is the menu is like. Yes. So this is what the menu is like.
Don't call number 28 from the next contact.
We need a drone money. You know it.
So I can have a jerk chicken and a hot dog with cheese.
So a jerk chicken only.
Fries. The fries.
Specific part of the chicken.
Thai.
So what we put in is that chip over. The jerk chicken and fries.
Yeah. And a hot dog with cheese. Yes, so I'm gonna share with them have and give them our feedback on it, you know. Yeah man, the hot dog just right, you know. And also fries them don't have much salt on it, so the people them gonna try to eat a bit healthy. You have a high blood pressure. To go on, have a buzz. Yeah man, show no how to go on chicken same way. So you need to come here so and enjoy West Falls in our beautiful parish, Saint Elizabeth. Yeah man, the chicken have a smoky flavor to it, the jerk chicken. Very nice for people. So big up anyone I watch from, big up on yourself. Thank you all for tuning into the channel. So when I finish, I'm gonna give you a tour of the falls area. Yeah man, I take it into the falls, so stick and stay and see what I go on, you know? Blessings. Yes, people, so you don't know. I keep myself hydrated, you know? With some water, you know? So just keep the body hydrated. Yeah man, so this is another section of the pool. I think it's like for the adult. So you can indicate where you're watching from. Yeah man, and remember to come and take your journey to this location, which is YS Falls. So I'm gonna take you right up to the falls area. Yeah man, so me a pint up there, some I take on up at the falls. And you see the finger point up there, some more I reach. Yeah man, so yeah man, I enjoy it. Can't complain. No place so nice like Jamaica. You know the bread basket with the St. Elizabeth YS Falls. So the stick and stay going to the falls area, guys. That's where the beauty, yeah, natural beauty up there. So it's all about the safety measures. Safety is paramount. So you know you also can do zip lining. Boss, is zip line up and running? Zip lining. So at the moment, you know, so now no zip lining right now, so just come and enjoy the falls. So this is what we're waiting for. Hear the sound of the water. So relaxing, guys. So we're gonna take a view on the Wires Falls. That is it right there. See how I go on there. Read safely. Wires Falls. Please supervise your kids at all times. Yeah man, so we're climbing up on the falls. I'll show you what I'm going now. And remember, at the moment there are no zip lining at the moment, so I will keep you update and tell you what I'm going when you come out to the zip lining. Manners. Alright. Look at this view. So this is the place to be, guys. Yeah man, place to be in St. Elizabeth. So warning guys, yeah man, this is also a safety water level notice. Please be advised that water level range from 12 feet to 16 feet deep. See that? Safety tip, always remember about this.